Your Majesty, you haven't got to work yet. I don't know what his problem is. Just eating himself up.
Daddy! Good morning, Daddy.
This is hell in paradise. Paradise. This is hell in paradise. Woo. Paradise. This is hell in paradise. Oh yeah. You're looking for all the good things of life. You can find it right here. You can find it right here. Woo-hoo. If love is one thing that money can buy, money can buy. Yeah, you will find it right here. You will find it right here. And the love in this paradise, in this paradise, paradise. Woo-hoo. Yeah, love in this paradise, paradise.
Dad is becoming more of a sadist as the days go by. Seriously, Mom, this is getting out of hand. We need to do something.
Do what? My dear, what do you want us to do? Personally, I'm sick and tired of his attitude. It has gotten me up to this place. I'm tired.
He won't allow any of us to work in his company. He will still not be cheerful to us as a father. Mom, I don't get it, honestly. Is this any of our fault? Is it our fault?
It is not our fault, my dear. No, it is not. We have even told him the solution to his problem, but he wouldn't do any of that. So, what else do you want us to do? What?
And the company, Mom? Why are we not allowed close to it?
If you will listen to me, my dear, I'll suggest that you allow him use his hired workers. I'm even glad that he placed you and your siblings on a monthly allocation. That's okay by me. So just cool down. Eh? Shebi, you used to say chill. Just calm down, okay?
Yes, Bridget, what is it? What? Let her in.
Your Majesty.
Yes, Obiageli, what is it? Why are you here?
Your Majesty, at least offer me a seat. Let me sit down first.
It's all right. Sit down.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Well, be brief with whatever it is you want to say. I see I have a lot of work to do.
Thank you, sir. Actually, I am here in connection with the money you owed my husband before he died.
What did you just say?
I am sure you heard me, Ezonyano say. My son Ejike just got admission into the university and I do not have enough money. That is why I am here to see what I can get from you. At least to enable him do his registration. Actually, Your Majesty, I have been to the palace and I was told you already left for work. If not that this is important, I wouldn't have put that to disturb you. Please, Help me so that my son will achieve his dreams.
Are you done?
Yeah, Your Majesty.
First of all, you had the guts to come to my office to tell me that I, Izunyanose, was owing your late husband before he died. Is that not an insult? Secondly, you also had the guts to tell me that your son gained admission into the university. That's an act of mockery.
I'm sorry, Onyeze. I don't understand why you're taking it this way.
Well, you just want to make me know that you have a son and that I do not have one. In fact, that's insult number 2. For your information, Obegedi, your husband gave me that land as a collateral for the loan he took. That land became mine the moment he was unable to repay the loan. Huh? Are you so stupid that you do not know you can't make any claims on the land?
That wasn't the case, Onyeze. My husband told me that...
You now call me a liar also. That's another insult. How dare you, woman? Now get out of my office.
Your Majesty.
Get out. Get out of my office.
Onyeze.
Get out.
Hi. Tamara, you are really telling me. You are really trying to
get crazy. You don't do nothing. You can't do more than a dead fowl. Now, close your teeth there, they mad.
Really?
Yes, really. You don't know before. Now today you know. See, if you lose that, you go query. Try it. Just touch me, then you will see why the men in this town fear me. You get crazy.
Tamara, it is really very obvious to me that this tomboy stupid lifestyle of yours has really gotten into your head. But I will remove it from this.
Leave your home, I'll leave my own. I take concern you.
What is
Leave your life.
Why are you people shouting? Don't you know that the palace staff will be hearing you? Eh? Are you the only ones living in this palace?
I wonder.
Why must you shout?
I wonder. Cat and dog. What is this time around?
Mother, can you imagine? This son of yours went to my bedroom, messed up my closet just because she's looking for her face cap. Tell me, Tamara, since when did I start wearing face caps? Or since when did I start having the features of a man? Since when?
Oh, Mila, you want to tell me say no they admired? I know say they admired at my face cap. Since I don't know. Oh, Mila.
Mother, did you hear the lame excuse she is making for messing up my closet? Oh, Tamara.
Wait a minute. So this heated argument is because of ordinary face cap?
Come on, must 2 of you fight and quarrel? Must you? Why? She caused it, mother. Tamara here caused it.
Momsy, now argue, we argue. We know they fight. If I fight this one, she go turn black. Now mother go murder her.
Tamara, come on, shut up. It's okay now. It's okay.
Let's say madness, you worry, you dey mad.
Have you forgotten that she's your elder sister? Can you imagine? Just wait until that comes back.
Oh,
I will deal with you, Tamara.
Papa, pick
I will
shut up. Do yourself.
Shut up. Madness. What is going on here?
Greetings, Father.
Oh, keep your stupid greetings to yourselves. What's going on here?
Father, thank God you are back. Please, I beg of you, do help me talk to this son of yours not to ever go to my closet again, because if she does, if you do, Tamara, if you try, Tamara...
What's the meaning of that? When did I ever tell you I had a son?
Dad, I...
Will you shut your mouth? And now, that goes for everyone. Let this be the last time I will come back to this palace and hear you making noise like stupid market women. Nonsense.
This is heaven, paradise. Paradise. This is heaven, paradise.
If you lose that, you go where and then push me. Then come from there. Idiot. I'm you water. You sure say my bad boy you so? Sure say no come on here, go London, me go find your papa. Idiot. Yeah, she did.
No, seriously, Mama, I don't understand. What is that man feeling like? What is he feeling like? No, Mama, explain to me. What is he feeling? See, Mama, I don't care whether he's the king or not. I will just go to his palace or his office and spoil things. What nonsense is that? Eh? What is he even saying?
It hasn't gotten to that.
No, Mama, it has gotten to that, oh. It has gotten to that. How will I cope?
Well, why is Ezonyanu's even this mean and wicked? I don't just understand. We all know that Papa sold this piece of land to him. And he just paid a little amount of money and promised to pay the remaining. So why is he not changing this whole story?
I'm sure he's pained by the fact that he doesn't have a male child to take after him.
Mama, please, I don't understand. Male child to take after him. Is it our fault? Is it our fault that he doesn't have a male child? Whether he likes it or not, he will release that money. I don't want to miss my chance of going to university. What is this now? I'll just...
Where are you going?
This is not nice at all.
Where is he going?
Mama, leave him, let him just go. This is not nice at all. Okay, how is Ejike now going to complete his registration and clearance? Okay, and this also means if eventually I get admission, I won't also clear. Mama, this is not nice at all. I need to go and see that man.
See who?
Ezonyanu's, of course.
Bamba. Don't even try. Do not go to that man's place. So.
Mama, why?
I don't know the why. But all I know is that king is evil.
So you're not trying to say we should forget about the money? Is that it?
Chiamaka, please don't go there. And do not disobey me. Please.
I heard you.
Seriously, Teresa, I don't know what else to do. My husband's hatred for my daughters and I is getting worse by the day. Sometimes I just think maybe it will get better. But what do you see? It gets worse by the day. I don't understand.
Honestly, I feel your frustration. Though I understand your husband's pain.
Of course, we all understand his pain. We do. See, we have asked him to go and get another wife that might give him a male child. He wouldn't do that. Okay, you know, and the elders in council, all of them have been suggesting to him, all this, go and get another wife, go and get another. But he wouldn't just do that. What else does he want us to do? Kill ourselves? No. That's not possible.
Maybe he doesn't want you to feel bad by getting married to someone else. I've always told you that.
Come on, Teresa. But you know that's not the reason. Eh? You know how long I've been asking him to get another wife. Okay, my daughters and I have asked him to go and get another wife. Even if he wants to get 2, 3, 10, 1 million, it doesn't matter. As long as we have our peace. Simple.
My queen, I will advise you take it easy. Everything will be fine.
Oh, only God knows when that will be. I don't just understand. What else can we do?
But he still eats from your kitchen, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's an indication that it has not gone out of control. Please calm down. I believe he will come back to you.
I hope so.
Oh my goodness, you're so funny.
You know, I feel so glad when I see you laugh this hard. I mean, it makes me feel I'm doing my job as a man in your life. You know, you're very special.
Really?
Of course.
So tell me, how special am I?
Well, let me say, words will elude me to explain it right now. But sincerely, you are the very definition of the special one. And I keep praying always that God will give us the grace to be real to each other.
But sweethearts, you know I have been real to you. Very real to you.
Yeah, no doubts, but heaven bears me witness that I have been more real to you.
You're so sweet.
So tell me, How is your father and your siblings?
They are fine. Just my father.
What about him?
What else? Same issue. He yells at us as if we are not his children.
I can understand. You know, I saw him yesterday at the bank. I greeted him, but he did not answer me. Not a word.
You don't say. Can you imagine? Even in the bank, he cannot comport himself.
You know, I've been thinking.
What?
I've been thinking about telling him about my intentions. I mean, our marriage. I don't know if he will approve of it.
Oh, come on, sweetheart, he will. That would be very nice, honestly. He'll be very happy. Yes. He'll be very happy that one of his hated daughters is leaving his sight.
Has it gotten to that?
It's even worse. Yes. That palace is best described as a beautiful hell. Seriously.
I think we should go inside and discuss further. I'm interested in this topic.
Aww, you are so bad.
Come on. Well, no doubt your father's palace is far better than this humble abode of mine. But here lies your destiny. And your peace is deposited here. I think it's time for us to walk towards our endless happiness.
I am humbled by your courage and maturity. I love you so much.
And I promise to be yours forever.
They play me the tape fast. Play me the matter. Huh?
Why are you doing like this?
I don't understand. How?
Babe, look at me. I'm your friend. Babe, I dey act like girl. Babe, where sabi? You're always doing this tomboy thing. Where is it leading you to?
Stop. I don't understand. Which level now? Which they bring this matter now? Babe, free me, Ojari. You cannot live your life and leave mine as well. Let me run my package the way I want.
You
What's
don't
up?
get it.
No, I don't want to get it now. Play me the tape. Yes.
No, Alasha. Now your life. Not my life.
You go talk or no talk?
You do. That reminds me. There is this jewelry my sister came back from Dubai with. Beautiful ones, gold chain, gold necklace, gold earrings. But you don't see that. Inside they open your teeth, they shine like this.
So, how far? You get the pictures?
Of course not. I think it should be on my phone. Just hold on, let me see.
Marcia.
That's it. You see them? That's the earring.
See this one. Now this one I like.
You like this one?
Yes.
Now your money now. No,
how much be this one?
This one here, the one you just put. Okay, this one is 100k. The earring below is 100. You know waiting. The whole package now 300,000 naira. Small
thing. Why the price high like this now? No, it's too high, oh. What's up now?
The baby biscuit you won't go buy. Now gold be this, so pure gold.
I know.
Original.
But it's too high. Just say never had your money. You know, say you too like money.
Ah.
Yes, now.
Now you hate money. Give my phone, I beg. See, are you interested?
I'm interested, though, but see, my papa never pay us the monthly allowance they give us. I mean, not get that kind of amount from my account. I want to run this level now.
They ask me, that one concern you. But you know what? They want your level very sharp because this thing will soon come out from my hand. People they interested for the stuff.
Who be people? Kudani, who
if
be
you don't want to, I go sell them.
Who they be? What be their name? Don't worry, I go run the level. Don't worry.
Alright.
Dad, you really need to live on without inviting me. Well, I guess the food must be so delicious. Let me join you.
What do you think you're doing?
I want to eat with you.
Meaning what?
Since when did it become a crime to eat with my father?
Did I ask you to join me?
Father, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to us? Dad, the way you're treating us is not nice. Especially to me. Regardless of the fact that I'm trying so hard to be your favorite daughter.
For you to have said what you just said, it shows that you're actually retarded.
Dad!
What makes you think you're different from your mother and your sisters?
Is it my fault that I do not have a brother?
Go and ask your mother. Get out of my presence. Leave my presence. I have every reason to be surprised. That's what you get when you live amongst women.
Anything you plan to the reaper. This is hell in paradise. Paradise. This is hell in paradise. Paradise. This is hell in paradise. Oh yeah. You're looking for all the good things of life. You can find it right here. You can find it right here. Woo-hoo. If love is one thing that money can buy, money can buy. Yeah, you will find it right here. You will find it right here. And the love in this paradise, in this paradise, paradise.
What did he tell you? What did he tell you?
Mother, I don't know. Besides, I'm not in the mood to talk.
Well, if you're not in the mood to talk, then go to your room and we'll call it a day.
Here!
Oh! Did you just say at me? Mother, did she just say at me?
Tamara!
Mom, what's up, man? What's up, Mom? See? Look at this one. Mom, what's up? What's up?
That's saying...
As in, age mate, what's up? Or as in what?
Can you imagine?
Hey, Auntie Gurugu. What is wrong in me asking Mom what's up?
Tamara, why did you have to barge in on us like that?
Nothing. No, nothing. Wait, I dey show back. 1 minute, I beg. I dey come. I dey show back.
Mother, I am sure Tamara is up to something.
Will you shut up? Keep quiet, Chica.
Mommy, what have I done?
Well, we're not asking you what it is between you and your father. And you are reluctant to tell us. Now you are talking about Tamara. Just keep quiet.
Nobody cannot talk a piece in this house and there will not be problem.
Take my own away and then bring somebody else.
Nollywood should just make a movie about our work. Honestly.
Whatever you sow, one way. The clock could they count, the time of they come. On your night, Kenya, no one, yeah, make it a bit better, no one. It's your take on no one, yeah, by nature, no one, no, take us in, no.
These children are daring me.
No matter who I be, no matter who you be, we all in a human being, I be or disagree.
Good morning, Dad. Good morning, Dad.
Which one of you stole my money?
Stole?
I just asked the question. Which of you stole my money?
What money, Dad?
You're asking.
Dad, we didn't steal your money.
I'm going to ask you again. Which of you stole my money?
We didn't touch your money.
What money are you talking about?
One of you useless daughters went into my room and stole the money I kept in my briefcase.
What?
Yeah, I'm not useless.
You shut your mouth before I slap the tooth out of you. Is it not obvious you're the one who took it downstairs?
Boss. You don't see me for your room before. I know 80%.
Oh, Majesty. Maybe you misplaced this money.
So what do you call me now? A careless man?
No,
Isn't it?
Not at all, Your Majesty. But one can always misplace money.
Yes, Father, exactly. I could help you find it. Yes.
No. You all do not know what I am capable of doing. You don't. But don't worry. I will deal with you all.
Did I if you take his money?
Mother, you know I can't do such a thing.
Mother, we can never touch Daddy's money. We did not touch his money.
Wait now. Why do you wait to me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand.
Did you?
Which kind of matters this one? How you guys know this kind of question? I need to person money, I know it.
My friend, did you take the money or not? That is what Mother is asking you. Or did you not hear when Father said he is going to deal with every one of us here?
Oh, my can't hear as you.
Tamara!
You go shut down your mouth.
Tamara! You see you! You see you! Wait! When are you actually coming to fight? Oh, please!
Young man, did I hear you right?
Sir, you heard me right. Sir, give me the money you are owing my father. It's as simple as that. What is there to understand? Give me the money. I need it. I need to use it. I'm not intimidated with the way you're looking at me. If you like, look at me from head to toe. Kill me with your eye. But what I know is that I'm not leaving this office without that money.
I'm the one you're talking to in that manner? Hitting your hand on my table? Do you want me to kill you?
You kill me. You cannot kill me. I am Ejike. You can go ahead and intimidate my mother, intimidate my sister. You cannot kill me. I am Ejike. Everybody in this world is dead. We are just waiting for the day all of us will just drop dead one by one. Both of us, we are dead. You don't know.
I see.
Sir, you haven't seen anything yet, though. 1 naira, 5 naira thing you haven't seen. I need them. So why you behaving like this now? For no reason, you're just wicked. Give me the money you're owing my father now. Eh? Give me the money. I just told you I got admission into the university. I need to use it. Give me the money to do clearance and registration. You're being wicked with my own father's money. Why? So I'm talking to you. It's honest, I'm talking to you. I just suddenly got up. Talk to me now. I need the money. Why are you behaving like this? Or is it my fault that you don't have a male child? It's none of our fault. So go and discuss that one with your God. Place the anger on your God, not my family. I need the money. I need it now.
The truth. Who amongst you stole money from the king's room?
No, my queen, you know I cannot do that, I swear.
Neither would I do such, my queen. I can't even imagine it.
Really?
Stay with me, my queen. I saw my late mother's grave. I didn't do it.
Really? Since 3 of you did not do it, who then did? Probably a ghost came in and stole the money, isn't it?
Then my queen, you know we don't enter the king's room except we're about cleaning it. And we clean it in a group. And since yesterday we cleaned it, we haven't gone back there.
Okay, no problem. You know me. I have my own way of finding out the truth. If I find out the truth, I will handle the matter my own way. You better tell the truth now before it's too late.
This is hell in paradise. Paradise. This is hell in paradise.
Your Majesty, are you not going to offer me a seat? State your mission and state it urgently. I have a lot of work to do.
Okay. Onyeze, I came in my capacity as the Onowu of Ifitane Kingdom to remind you of the Nwokabia ritual.
What do you take me for, no? A dullard?
I don't understand what you mean by that, Your Majesty.
What do you think? That I'm having forgetful issues?
No, but Your Majesty, I remember that the last time we opened this topic with you in the palace, you dismissed it as if it's something that you don't want to discuss.
Oh no, enough of that. I am fully aware of the Nwokabia rituals. I don't need to be reminded.
Is everything all right, Your Majesty?
How can everything be well or no when I have no son? And here I am, people are telling me about the Nwokabia rituals. Oh no, tell me, if you were in my shoes, would you be happy?
Your Majesty, I feel your pain. But I know I have told you countless number of times to solve your problem. Why are you not thinking of taking another wife? Or even taking 2 wives? You never can tell when these new women will conceive and give you not just a son, but sons.
Oh no, thank you for your advice. I want to be left alone.
Your Majesty, why are you doing this? Why are you not interested in solving your problem? Your Majesty, you are a king in Africa. And in Africa, despite all the efforts made by the missionaries to kill it, it has refused to die. Because indeed, it is our way of life. A king in Africa can marry as many wives as he wishes. As many wives as he can control. Ezonyuke of Nemo married more than 10 women. And they came together to give him oceans of sons and daughters. Some of them now lawyers, some of them medical doctors, some of them engineers. Professionals in different areas of life, scattered in practically all the countries of the world. You are a king like that revered man of Nemo, people. Why are you not interested in doing exactly the same thing to solve your problem?
Thank you for the lecture, no. You may leave.
Your Majesty, I'm saying...
Get out!
I do not need a soothsayer to tell me that you were the one who stole the money. But it's something I do not understand. Since you are always bold enough to fight your seniors, Why weren't you bold enough to tell father that you are a petty thief? You were the one who stole father's money. Why?
I will not join issues with you. Are you not Chika again? The one that doesn't mind her business. If you claim you're woman enough, Mami Water, go tell your popsi say Nami collect the money. No, go and tell him.
And what will you do if I tell father that you were the one who stole the money?
They hold you. Go lose guard now. You go query. Stupid.
You know, you always act like you're intelligent. Tamara, can I tell you something? You are an incompetent fool. Now let me tell you something. The money you took belongs to a king, not just our father. If you do not bring out that money, I am sure you also know that he has black powers. He will deal with you, just like you already said. Stupid girl, she-male.
Pops, if you find out saying me thief that money. No, Fiti. I beg you. Kachi, how far now? I hold the scolari. Where we want meet now? Ma collect the level.
They all swore they didn't do it. So I now wonder who must have stolen the money.
Honestly, Mom, this is very strange. Honestly.
Mother, there is no doubt that Samara took that money. I mean, someone should better talk to her. Because I am not ready to suffer for anybody's crime. I mean, I have questioned her. I also threatened her, but I am sure we all know how hardened she is. Mother, you have to rise and make her confess to that, because if she does not, how will let loose in this house?
Have you lost your mind? Ejike, answer me! Have you lost your mind?
Mama, calm down. That is the only way we can get that money. Mama, the way you're sounding, I think that's what is giving that man the impression that we are afraid of him. I am not afraid of that man at all. I am not afraid of him. He will provide that money.
What do you know, Ejike? Ezonyanusi is an evil man. Ejike, please. I do not want to lose you. Please.
Mama, you will not lose me. I am Ejike. Ejike, you will not lose me.
Now, listen. I do not want you to ask for that money again. God will provide for us.
Seriously, I don't understand why humans have this mentality. Why would they wait for God to come and solve a problem that humans can solve? How else do I explain that? Mama, heaven help those who help themselves. For the only way you can see reason as reason is for you to reason reasonably. Mama, reason.
Can you hear what is coming out from your brother's mouth? Can you hear the rubbish? Please, talk to your brother Chamaka before I do something that I will regret.
Ejike, why are you playing with your life? Why would you go and confront such an evil man? Are you sure you're okay with are you with your senses? Are you okay?
You're asking me, butterfly. You butterfly, asking me if I'm okay.
You're calling me butterfly, B? You know you will not want to hear. It's only your own that you want to do. Continue. You will not want to listen to the elderly ones. Continue. Keep doing your mind.
Yeah, mind. Butterfly, if you want to instill fear in me.
Tell me, did you steal the money?
Oh! Momsi, which kind of question be this one now? What else do you want me to tell you? I no steal money. Have you seen me going to Popsy's room before?
What are you saying? Are you insinuating that the money grew wings and flew away? The money disappeared just like that?
Are you expecting an answer? You want my answer you? Madam, you respect yourself. People lose money. People misplace money. What are you talking about? Maybe he misplaced his money. Have you thought of that?
So you want to fight me?
Madam, relax, relax.
Oh, mother! The fact that this thing here is denying that she never took the money is driving me nuts. What is all this? Tamara, you took that money. You are a liar and you know it. Better bring it out to me. Because if you do not, if this is a coin, I will lose it for you. See this one. See this one. See this one. Try it.
She be not here tomorrow, Johnny yesterday. And today now you will settle the matter. And today now you will settle.
Izonyanusi, will you take this insult? Who is this boy to walk into my office to say all the rubbish he said?
Whatever you saw,
Greetings, Father.
What are you doing here?
It may interest you to know that Tamara was the one who stole your money. She made it very obvious. Dad, why don't you call her and tell her to return the money she stole from you?
You get out of this place.
Dad?
I just said get out.
Dad, I just brought a very vital information for you. Thought you'd be telling me thank you.
I suspect Princess Tarama.
Me too. Why her, if I may ask?
With her kind of lifestyle, I believe she's the one who could do such.
Exactly. You are both wrong. You just don't judge someone by their looks or behavior. She might not be the one.
Then who did you?
God forbid. You know I cannot do such. But I think that is not the main problem we have in this palace.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the hatred the king has over the queen and the princesses. Of course we know it's not their fault that the king has no son. So I wonder why he could be hating on them.
You cannot understand because you're not in my shoes. He will not love to leave his throne for anyone.
Even at that, it doesn't worth it.
Had he been the king is ready to have a second wife, I, Shidebere, would be ready for that. And I will equally give him that which he desires.
See this one.
What is going on there? I thought the queen gave you specific instructions on what she wants you to do.
Yes, my princess.
So what are you doing there discussing? Is that part of the brief?
Yes, sorry, princess.
Young man, go straight to the point. Tell me, why are you here?
Alright, Your Majesty, I came with a proposal for you. And it's just...
And who told you we are interested in your proposal?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty, it's just... I'm
not interested. By the way, are you not that fool that is sleeping with my daughter? The one my daughter runs after? And am I sure she's not the one who asked you to come and present this proposal?
Your Majesty, Oge and I are dating. And I am not taking advantage of her in any way. I believe the future is bright for both of us.
I knew that was a lie you were going to say. I sure know you young boys of nowadays and how you take advantage of people. Like I said, am I sure she's not the one who asked you to bring this proposal?
It is not what you think, Your Majesty.
Get out of my office. And don't step your feet into this compound again.
Your Majesty?
Get out! Proposal that I don't even know if he can write English properly.
Man, babe, this level pure. I don't know say you fine like this when I see her for picture.
I talk and I tell you say you like him. I correct good, I know they feel her.
But I know like this one take. It's an like
see, no, you try it like this so. Now God be this so. Not be small money be this. No, they worry you.
I dash you.
But, babe, I be want to ask you something. How be you tell me say you no get money to purchase all these things? How come you dey get money now to buy all these my stuffs? Wetin happen? How you take get am?
I don't understand. It will not be the scholarly. I don't give you. Still they ask me how to get her. That will not concern you.
Baby, I mean I be your babe now. Tell me wetin dey happen. How you take get the money?
Tamara. What was that?
Nothing.
Nothing.
I say nothing na nothing as in English language, nothing. Which I don't understand for inside. You see, ask me nothing. That's why you take the do. Until I don't correct your head now.
Baby, I'm sorry.
He insulted and embarrassed me.
I said I'm sorry. Please.
You know, I didn't like the idea when you brought it up.
You're right. But it was all for the best. I never knew he would be angry with you.
I'm sorry to say this, babe, but your father, the king, is a sadist. I didn't believe it until my encounter with him today. God.
I told you. Now you see what you have been going through. All because he doesn't have a son. We have done everything. We are tired. My mom and siblings advised him to get a second wife, to try out his luck. But no, he wouldn't do that. Honestly, we are tired.
That's it. I am beginning to wonder how I will cope with such a man as my father-in-law when we eventually get married.
No. Sweetheart, no, don't talk like this. Please. He will change. I believe he will not remain like this forever. Please. The truth is that he believes you're taking advantage of me.
Exactly. But I made it clear to him that there is no such thing. I love you, Oge. And heaven bears me witness that I do. I just pray we can fight through this and be together.
I love you too. It will happen one day. We just have to be optimistic.
Okay.
So, Ugezu, you had the guts to send your stupid boyfriend to my office to come and introduce and discuss some silly business I don't even know where he got the idea from. When did that start?
I'm sorry, Dad. It's not what you think.
You shut your mouth. What do you know about what I'm thinking?
Your Majesty, with due respect, I don't like the way you shout at my children. I don't like it.
Defender of the universe. I'll just pretend I didn't hear what you said.
Of course you heard me, Your Majesty.
Besides, I will not be sitting here with you if it's not because of what I wanted to tell you. For your information, I've always paid you people monthly allocation because I don't want my so-called daughters to be broke or running around some silly men begging for money. But one of you decided to defy my authority by going to my room and then stole money from my briefcase. In that case, every monthly allocation stops.
What?
Father!
You heard me right.
Your Majesty.
Yeah, that's what they call me.
That's
I can't have a bunch of armed robbers in the house.
Dad! Mother, did you hear that? Did you hear what he just said?
What kind of rubbish is this, Nico?
And as for you, I hope you are happy now. Have you seen what you've caused?
Where are you talking to? No, Tamara. Please, where are you talking to? Abino, where are you talking to?
very stupid.
You're stupid too.
So you say I cannot talk?
Come and sit down there.
You got to talk.
Sit down there and shut up your mouth.
Enough! It's okay.
Mugu.
Must you shout?
Enough!
Tamara, please. Please, I beg you in the name of God. If you're the one that took that money, please, I beg you, confess.
Steve, they know God.
Please. If he does what he just said now, it's going to be a disaster. Please, my dear sister, please.
Auntie Guru Guru, I'm begging a thief.
I will try make I respect you. I am trying so hard to respect you. And if you know what is good for you, let it stay that way. What's wrong with you now? Maybe now you take the money, sir.
I mean, you are very, very stupid. You're senseless.
Mugu. Okay.
Look at this idiot.
Okay, go.
She's just talking as if she didn't hear what I just said.
It's okay now. Must you people shout?
If that does what she just said, how are we going to cope in this hard time? And you are here.
Get boyfriend and your boyfriend will give you money. Must make you warn your
Not your next get boyfriend.
warn your girl so. If I'm not trying them, I go change her for now. What's that about this? Shut up, I go change her. Warn your girl so. Don't tell me that she I go change her.
Pastor, he is getting worse by the day. My husband will never stop hitting my children and I for something we know nothing about. In fact, as I'm talking to you now, he has withdrawn the monthly allocation he pays my children every month, simply because he says somebody stole his money. In fact, I'm tired. I don't even know what to do anymore.
Your Majesty, you have to take it easy. I truly understand your predicament. I think the time has come for me to visit the palace and pray for the whole family.
No, Pastor, that won't be possible. My husband has a special hatred. He has special hatred for men of God. I thought you knew about it already.
But I believe you can always convince him. Yes, he's your husband. You can always find a way to talk to him. Make him understand that my visit will bring good tidings to the family.
Pastor, I know my husband the king. I knew him then. Even now, I know him better.
Your Majesty, you still have to try. With God, there are no impossibilities.
Pastor, please, I suggest you request to see him. Maybe from there, whatever happens, we can take it up.
I don't think that's a good idea. You see, Your Majesty, no matter what, he's the king. A man in authority. And it is our duty to respect him. Well, visiting him without prior notice will be demeaning. Talk to him first. You know, our God is a God who will always make a way where there seems to be none.
Please, help me talk to your father. My brother needs to commence with his registration and clearance. Else, he will lose his admission. Like I told you, that piece of land was the only land my father had.
Chiamaka, what makes you think that I'm in a better position to tell my father to give you the same money that you were talking about here? Why come to me?
Because I know you're closer to your father than other of your siblings.
Really? You think so?
My princess, I don't just think, I know.
Well, I am sorry to disappoint you. I cannot be of help.
Why?
You see, dear, a lot has been going on in my family. I shouldn't be telling you this, but I do need money too. My best advice for you is to go home. Don't bother asking me for further clarifications because you won't get them. Save yourself from all the stress. Just go home, okay?
Because last while I done jump again, play, cause I don't wake again. Oh no, she be not here tomorrow, jam yesterday, and today now you go settle the matter, and today now you go settle the matter. Konye nemeno wanya pachapalanya, Polonya bona kolono wanya no kota, Asimunya kota,
So I can't see one at the run for you.
I'm sorry, my princess.
God don't punish you today.
I'm sorry, my princess.
Forgive me, my princess. Shut the hell up. If they find we go scratch your back, now this one. This guard, now they scratch your back, I don't get shame. He was not actually scratching my back.
Yes, my princess. She has a serious pain in her back. I was only helping her as my co-worker. Yes, my princess.
I'm here now, they play tape for. No, Alan, I'm not going to tell my papa, so now go help me play on the same tape now.
No, my princess, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Please don't allow the king to know about this. I assure you, my princess, it will not repeat itself again.
Yes, it will not repeat itself again. I'm going to make sure of that.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, when I ball out, I want to do frog jump. When I jump reach that spot, jump come back. Okay, Maka, and one was there, man. Oh yeah, ball out now. Come on, get that for that. Come on, get that there. Stupid. Lay down. Oh yeah, run on fast. They jump now. What do they do you? You bend down now. Bend down fast. Come on. So you not be twerk. You not be twerk, Adi. You like that waist. Twerk down fast. Correct. But now, bring down your back. Bring down your back.
You know, I can't just get my head around it. You mean he stopped paying you and your sister simply because of that?
Yes, baby.
Why are you this mean?
At times I regret having him as a father.
No, babe. Don't say that. God has a reason for making him your father.
What reason could that be? What?
Well, that shouldn't be a problem. Let's forget about that. You know I've always got your back. So don't worry. I will take care of you.
Aww. I love you, baby.
You are the best.
Hey, Jay! Sorry. People of God. Look, I am really sorry for barging on you like that, okay?
Ebuka, must you always barge in like this?
I said I'm sorry. Do I need to announce before coming into your house? You're my guy for crying out loud.
Even at that. Even if I'm your guy.
Okay. I am sorry, sir. I am sorry. Greetings, my princess.
Good afternoon.
So how are you?
Very well, thank you.
I am fine. I'm good. So how is your sister?
Which of my sisters, precisely?
Princess Chika, of course.
She's fine.
See, to be honest, I must say that she is very beautiful. And I really like her so much. And I don't know if David here has told you about that.
Yes. Yes.
And believe me, I mean every word of it. Yes.
Okay.
So what do you have to say about that?
Well, I'm not Chika, so I can't speak for her.
Okay.
But I'll try my best to make it possible for you guys to meet and talk and get to know each other.
Look, that would be nice, okay? That would be very, very nice. I'm grateful, my princess. Thank you very much. And David, I must confess, you have a wonderful wife to be. Trust me.
Well, you can say that 1,000 times over.
No problem. Pastor, carry on. Carry on with your service.
Who's Chiamaka?
Obiageli's daughter.
What for?
She came to ask me to help her talk to you to pay them up their money. The money you owe them.
Really?
Yes, but I told her I could not be of help.
So what they do now is go around telling people that I'm owing them money.
That, is it true? Is it true that you owe them?
If what is true?
Never mind. I don't want to feed you with lots of nonsense. But Dad, please, promise me that you will continue to pay me my monthly allocation.
The other day it was Dikeh. Today it's you. What is wrong with you children? Eh? Why can't you obey your mother?
Mama, I only went to see the princess. I didn't go to see the
king. Keep quiet! Are they not the same thing? Eh? I have told you to leave the money for them. The God that I serve will provide for us. Eh?
Mama, if you forget about the money, I don't understand. Mama, look, heaven help those who help themselves. For you to see reason as reason is for you to reason reasonably. I know you will not understand.
Meaning what?
Yeah, Mama, it means we should look for any means, do anything possible to get back our money.
Did I do anything wrong?
Yes, two things. Number one, you went to the princess instead of the king. Number two, you went with cold heart instead of going there with anger. And it's not my style. That is what you did wrong. He should get ready for me. He should be expecting me because I will strike him.
Better know the way you're talking about Ezonianusi. I understand what Mama is saying. Don't say I did not tell you.
Just save the sum. What do you mean by that? Okay, we should let go of the money or what? Since he doesn't want to release the money, I will release myself. And if I release myself, he will not be able to stand it because I'm very, very hot. He doesn't.
Me, I finished talking. You don't say I did not tell you. As they're warning you now, you're acting like you know what you're doing. I've said my own.
Mama, go inside.
Namaka, say what you want to say and be fast about it. As you can see, I just came out so I can go and sleep.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. But you have not said anything about this children's monthly allocation. It's a topic you started when you took your decision. So you should not be tired of discussing it.
Namaka, it is clear to me that you have nothing to say. So you can sit down here and keep looking for the king who will sit here and discuss such a thing with you. But as for me, I think I have to retire.
Please. I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I'm so sorry. But you know that they are your children. You may not like them because of the way God created them. But they are your children. Your blood. I know that deep down in your heart, you know that they are your children. Your blood. Why are you punishing them, my Lord? Why?
Namaka, I don't know why you are begging. I already told you that I may continue paying their monthly allocation. If only the one that stole the money can just own up.
Yes, you did, but...
I still got nothing. Please don't provoke me this night by bringing up sentiments in all this. It's a very simple thing. I already made it clear. Listen, I do not want to invoke the powers of the king in this affair. If not, the culprit will remain barren for life. But because they are my children, I do not want to go to that extent. Let the person just own up. Own up.
Your Majesty, please can we discuss about Pastor Philip?
Yeah, what about him?
Your Majesty, Pastor Philip says he wants to come and pray for us.
Namaka, is everything all right? Are you okay? I mean, have you lost it?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I'm so sorry.
Am I a member of your church? Why would that pastor come and be praying one lifeless prayer for me?
Your Majesty.
He should pray for himself.
Your Majesty, Pastor Phillips is an anointed man of God.
Oh, yes, he's an anointed man of God. That's how they deceive you. And they will continue to deceive you like this. But as for me, I'm done. They can't deceive me. But let me make it clear to you. Any day I return to this palace and find the two left legs of Pastor Phillips in this palace, I will leave the press to report what will happen. So tell me, elders of Ifitani Kingdom, to what do I owe this impromptu visit this morning?
Your Majesty, we are indeed very sorry for the sudden visit.
Oh, please, oh no, spare me all that. As you can see, I'm ready to go to work. I ask again, why are you here?
Okay, Your Majesty, we came in connection with the Mokabia ritual. That ritual with Impuamango. It was supposed to have been performed yesterday as our custom demands.
Yes. What? You mean you all came dressed up from your homes to this place just to tell me what you just said?
Yes, Your Majesty. It is for the betterment of our kingdom, and you know it. That ritual comes with our sacred Ibuamawu. In this era, when increasing number of women are becoming promiscuous, Your Majesty, we don't need to play down on those ancient rituals of our forefathers.
Exactly, Your Majesty. Ibuamawu ritual will ensure that it is impossible for a man to suffer on the account of the promiscuity of his wife outside.
Yes.
A man who has participated in Ibuamawu ritual is absolutely sure. For whatever rubbish his wife decides to do outside, will remain outside. It will not come into the house and kill the man, because that man will book a.
Yes. And it is not late already. We can go to Ini Edo and perform the rituals today. That is our mission here, Ugezu.
You are the only one of this king. That practically makes you the second in command, isn't it?
Yes.
So go ahead and perform the ritual on my behalf. As you can see, I am very busy. It's too much work for me to do now. And besides, I've not been in the right frame of mind for some time now. So if you will excuse me.
Your Majesty. Mokabia ritual combined with Ibuamawu is equivalent to what the church people call infant baptism. We must name our sons and detach them from the destructions that come with the abuse of marital vow in women. If finally we have a king that undermines the tradition.
A king who is willing to have our young ones and even unborn sons exposed. Then we may need to take a decision. Isn't it?
Honestly, Tissy, I don't know what else to do. I'm sick and tired of this whole thing.
To be honest, I do understand the king's pain for not having a successor. But that shouldn't make him hate or treat you and your children so badly. That is totally absurd.
You see, my dear, I don't know why he won't even allow Pastor Phillips to come and pray for us. What is wrong with prayers? Isn't there a way to solve our problems?
He might be thinking that Pastor Philip can't be of help.
He should never say never. For with God all things are possible. I'm not happy. My children and I are living like strangers in our own home. This is very disturbing.
My queen, I understand you very well. But please, take it easy. Everything will be fine.
When? When? I keep hearing it. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. When will it be fine? When? He has refused to accept our suggestion to make things better. When will it be fine? How will it be fine?
Just don't worry. Have faith, okay?
In the history of Nwoke Abia ritual, mainly when it has to connect with Igbo Amamulo, it has always been the king that sits at the head of that ritual. Why is he finally delegating that responsibility to me? Why?
Are we back here to discuss the useless instruction that he gave? I just said something back there. I think we should work on that.
I know he has not been a happy man ever since he became our king. But he is becoming more of a sadist as the days go by.
Okompo, you are right. But I sincerely think you know why that is the case.
Because he has no son, of course.
That is an issue. Don't overlook that. It's a serious issue. A man who has no son is required to head the Nwoke Abia ritual and then perform Igbo Amamulo for the protection of the sons of other men. And he has no son. Can't you see why he is very demoralized?
Oh no. But we have asked him to marry a second wife. Even the queen, to the best of my knowledge, is not an opposition yet.
Of course.
Why then is he not doing that?
Yes, you are right. I even raised the same issue when I went to visit him in his office a few days ago. He dismissed me and ended the meeting in a way that made it clear to me that there is something he is hiding that he doesn't want us to know.
Because he is afraid of losing the throne. That is it. And we also afraid of leaving our sons exposed. We all know the world we live now. Women now see sleeping with many men as a way of life. We cannot kill our women because it is the same men that sleep with them. We have to amplify the sacred ritual of our fathers to protect our sons.
I agree, and that is why I brought us here for us to take a decision. We have already listened to the king. It is very clear he will never lead that ritual. And we cannot leave our sons unprotected. So I am asking us as men in council, can't we proceed with this ritual as men in council?
I don't know how this will be possible.
It is possible. How? No, we have to figure a way to make it work. You said it already. We live in a precarious world where women now see nothing wrong in sleeping with too many men. They see it as a way of life. We cannot kill them because it is actually our men that are sleeping with them.
Of course.
But we have to protect our sons just like our fathers protected us, and that's why we are still alive, despite all the rubbish our women have been doing.
It's true.
Are we not going to leave our sons exposed? So that's the way.
Something has to be done.
That was what he said. And believe me, Chika, he's a nice person, just like his friend David. So you have nothing, absolutely nothing to worry about.
Are you sure about this?
Of course, I'm sure. Believe me, girl. Ebuka has a good intention. He just wants to get to know you, become friends with you and all that. Come on. I'm your elder sister. I cannot deceive you or put you into danger.
Why are you doing all this, if I may ask? Why?
Okay? I'm doing this because I want you to be happy. I want you to have someone in your life. Someone serious that you can eventually call your husband someday.
Just like you intend calling David your husband someday, I guess.
Exactly. Believe me, you will like Ebuka. And I probably know that you don't have a boyfriend.
How do you know this? How come?
I'm your elder sister. I know. You see, a woman can hide plenty things. But when you have a man in your life, believe me, girl, you cannot hide it.
I see. You know, sis, you sound so intelligent. Jokes apart. You are my elder sister. And I also know you have the wisdom of our ancestors.
You can say that again.
You know, I love you so much. Just the way I love Tamara.
My only problem with you is that you always support Dad sometimes. Yes, you support him a lot.
No, sis, just that.
Just that. Just that what? You don't even know what to say. That's by the way. So you will get to meet Ebuka, hang out with him, and
we'll take it from there. Cool? Yes, we're cool. Before you cut off my head.
Dysfunctional healthcare system.
But just how functional is Finland's healthcare? In March, the Finnish government fell, the second in a row to fail at reforming the country's unsustainable healthcare system.
Finns are getting less and less children. People are getting older. We need taxpayers. If we think of sustainability, either
hold it right there.
People to Finland, or we have.
So I have become so little that you did not even notice me. Talk more of greeting. How dare you, little girl?
Good evening. Eze Onyanus.
Stop there. I can see that you really want to know what I can do when pushed to the wall.
Are you say I not greet you? Now I don't come back now and greet you. You still they talk another thing. I don't understand. Which level now? What's up now? What's up with you?
Come back here. I say come back here. Let this be the last time you will speak to me in that manner. Don't push me to the wall. You will not like it. Get out of my sight. I said, get out of my sight.
Small time now, they will get high blood pressure. They want to blame themselves. Now like this thing they start. They don't know now they want to use their hands to take for themselves.
Useless female.
Chiamaka, you will not understand. Registration is almost coming to an end and I've not paid.
Ejike, I understand. But just like Mama said, let's just keep hoping on God. I'm sure something will happen soon.
Stop telling me what Mama is saying. I don't want to hear it. I don't care. What you people fail to understand is that God will not come from heaven and give you money. Heaven helps those who help themselves. God has nothing to do with cash. Don't understand.
You want to go and force Ezonyanusi to give you the money? Is that what you want to do?
If that's the only way possible, I'll do it. He must release that money. He must release that money. Else, I'll release myself. I'll release myself.
Where are you not going to? Ejike, don't do something stupid though. Remember what Mama told you. Don't do something stupid.
Well, I cannot stand in court to say that I know you that much. But I think I've seen you with David sometime, if I'm not wrong.
I like you, Princess.
You do?
Yes, I like you. Or should I say I have always been a secret admirer?
Really?
Yes, Princess Chika, you see. But all thanks to your sister who made this possible.
Sorry, I didn't get that part.
What part are you talking about?
The part about my sister making it possible.
Oh, I see. Well, you see, can I ask you a question, Princess?
Why not?
Tell me, what do you think of me?
I think you're a nice guy. Though I'm yet to be too sure about that.
Okay. Well, don't worry, Princess. You see, I think time shall tell, you know. Yeah, I think time shall tell.
I can see the connection already.
Same here.
Well, you see, Princess Chika here is so fun to be with. Honestly. Of course you are.
So let's just say, like sister.
This really looks nice on you.
Oh, wow. I mean, you know I have a very fine physique. Very unique one.
I know.
So anything I wear, they show for my body.
I know.
You know the level now.
I know, babes, I know. But you know what? I've been thinking. You've not told me how you got the money for this.
What's it gonna concern you now? What's your business with that?
Am I not your friend?
You all not be this Larry. You don't collect your money now.
Babes, hear me now. Talk to me. How did you get the money to buy this from my hand? How did you get the money?
Okay, now my popsy money. I move on.
My princess.
You did what? 1 minute. I come.
Hey, this girl will never change. Really? Oh, gosh.
I know you heard what I was telling my friend back there. And that's why I followed you to issue you this warning. On no account should you say anything to anyone. Now repeat after me. What did I say? On no account should I say anything to anybody. Good. Because if I hear pin, if you lose guard, you go query.
Which one is Ifamsha? She said it herself that she stole the king's money just to buy the gold she has on now.
I knew it. I knew she could be the one who could do such.
But she warned me. She said on no account should I say this to anyone. So please, don't say I told you.
I still don't believe you.
How can you not believe me?
I think you just framed this whole thing, Chidebere. I know what you can do. Doubting Thomas.
Can you imagine?
Please, let's leave her in her department and return to us.
Exactly.
Don't say I told you. You know, he is indeed a nice guy.
Aha! I told ya.
Though I'm not fully sure of that for now.
Don't worry, sis. Chill. With time, you get to know him better. What? What?
That was the same thing he told me.
Coincidence.
What's up?
I
What's up?
guess.
Waiting this up. Wanna feel me? Waiting this up for here. Wanna tell me what's up? Sis, this up now. Waiting I do again. Why they look me like that? You be wish.
Tamara, what is
night.
it? You say?
You be wish?
You say?
You dey fly for night.
Tamara!
Eh?
Now your whole generation, your papa, your mama, everybody I be with. You dey
You
crazy.
follow for the generation. Oh, Teregi. Now I'm paying you everything.
I don't understand. Who invited you here? Hey, Tamara!
Hey, enough. Not this time.
No, tell me, okay, please. Tell me, help me ask her. Who brought you to this place?
Madam, shey you go school? See where they in Papa house, they need give am papers invitation before you come Papa house. Not get sense. Sometimes you go dey talk like we no go school. Wetin dey do you? If body dey hurt you, drink water. Drink water.
Tamara, you are very stupid. Tamara, you are nuts. You don't have manners at all. You lack respect. So you saw your two elder sisters discussing something important, not like your tomboy lifestyle. You came into this place to interfere in our discussion. Are you mad in Apuala?
Sisters, elders, so younger, so now the same thing. All of us now babes. Make they know they talk. I know who you. I don't understand.
Who be babes?
Now they talk rubbish. Calm down. Every time body go they hurt. You see, you fine, oh boy. You don't get fight.
I go wash you.
I don't know whether that they have been or they
I go wash you.
They bleach your brain.
You say
they bleach your brain. As they bleach as girl. Come on for here. Whether na they have been or when they.
Tamara.
Sis don't move.
Tamara. Tamara.
Follow. Dangote, still dey find money.
Idiot.
He still dey. I'll push you for that.
So I am. I'm not even telling you that today.
Njoku, come here.
Welcome, Your Majesty.
Who drove that car? You can't respond.
Your Majesty, it was Princess Tamara that drove the car.
Fool. Have I not warned you never to drive that SUV again? Why are you pushing me so hard to do something crazy? You useless tomboy.
Your Majesty, that is not fair. How can you judge your daughter without hearing from her first? That's not a decent way of meting out justice.
Namaka, stay away from this matter if you know what is good for you. And you, are you going to shoot yourself in the leg by denying you did not drive that SUV today?
Popsy, I no fit deny her now. I drive her. Popsy, na machine you park for there. You said no even know self. Nobody dey move her. I say, ma just feel the level now.
Are you listening to this, you fool? Are you listening to her? Now, take her into your room and talk to her.
Don't worry, Father. I'll talk to her myself.
Eh? I didn't even notice that someone drove the car. Tamara, why?
You have your own car. A good one at that. Why driving that car? Tamara, why are you so stubborn?
Auntie, I not call you for this matter. Why you dey cap carelessly now? Who call you for this matter? Now your mom by move. Not be popsy o. See if you lose guard, you go query. What they worry you?
I have told you before that I am not chica. If you try anything stupid, I will rip off your eyes.
Now listen, all of you. I brought back some files to treat at home. And I need to conclude them before dusk. And I don't want any disturbances. Is that clear? As for you, don't push me. Do not push me. I know why I am leaving you this time.
Popsy, now the same people we be now. Last now you are resemble. Now the same blood they flow for me. You know what's up now?
Don't want to stop.
She actually behaves like you.
No, honestly, I am pissed. I am very angry. Did you see the way Tamara spoke to me? I am not chica. I will rip her apart. I will detach her neck from her body.
It's okay now. Were you expecting anything better from her? Huh? You'll be making a mistake.
She be not here tomorrow, jam yesterday, and today now you go settle the matter.
Your Majesty.
In one very short sentence, what are you doing here? I thought I made it clear that I brought home some work to conclude before dusk, and I didn't want to be disturbed.
I'm so sorry, Your Majesty. But I'm bothered as a mother. That's why I've come to ask you to please kindly forgive Tamara.
What? Is that the rubbish you came here to tell me, interrupting the work I came to do? Get out.
Your Majesty.
Don't provoke me. I said get out.
I should get out. No, I will not get out. What is your problem? What is eating you up? What have I done to deserve this? Thank God you came and married me as a wife. Now you treat me like a housemaid. Or even less. It's not acceptable by me. Did you hear me? I must behave like a mother. Forgive Tamara. Or tell me what else you want me to do. You want us all to die because of you. If it's all about male child, fine. Go out there, get another wife. Have as many male children as you want. 1 million, I don't care. I only need my peace and the life of my children.
You know what, Namaka? You can continue to rant like a fool. But don't provoke me to the extent of forcing me to touch you. Because if I do, you will never recognize me.
You will not dare touch me. Go ahead and touch me. Touch me. Do whatever you... Do it. Do it. Who is scared of you? Not me, and you know that. I only have respect for you as my husband. Touch me. What is your problem? Aren't rubbish. Nonsense.
Last, while I done jump again. Play, cause I don't wake again. Oh no. She be not here tomorrow, jump yesterday. And today now you go settle the matter. And today now you go settle the matter. Konye nembeno wanya pachakwalanya.
Is there anything wrong in me driving that car?
You shut up your mouth. What happened to your own car?
I just wanted to have a feel of his car.
I said shut up your mouth.
Well, you asked me a question, I was trying to answer.
Tamara, do not provoke me the way you provoked your father. What is wrong with you, young lady? What's your problem? You very much know how your father behaves. He gave an order. You went against it. Are you crazy or something? That character better not repeat itself again. Did you hear what I said? I said you better not repeat it again.
Yes, Your Majesty. How do you know?
Paradise. This is hell in paradise. Oh yeah. You're looking for all the good things of life. You can find it
Sir,
right.
I am not afraid of you at all. 1 naira, 5 naira afraid of you. I am not afraid of you. I am my father's son. I am educated. Sir, you owe us. Just give us the money. I know that people die only once. You can do anything to me, but I need the money. I am not living here. It's either you kill me or you give me the money. Just kill me, let me die. Then you give me the money. See, you have this money in your possession. Give me this money. Just one phone call. Everything will be settled. One signature. One signature can settle all these things. You have this money. Give me this money. You don't want to give me. You don't want me to go to school.
It seems the one you came to do the other day was not enough for you. You have come back again, barking like a dog at me. It's Onyanos.
If you don't want somebody to be barking like a dog at you, then do what is right. You are the one creating room for insult. I'm telling you, I'm sorry for raising my voice. It's natural. That's how they gave birth to me. But give us this money. We need it. So still reason as reason. The only way to still reason as reason is for you to reason reasonably. I need this money. I need to start off my clearance. I need it. Future will forgive me to make a mistake, but future will not forgive me if I fold my hands and watch that mistake repeat. My father made the first mistake and died without collecting the money. You want me to do the same mistake? So I need this money. Give me the money. Give me the money. I know that you can kill me, but if you kill me, just know that animal will start crying in the bush. And when that animal start crying, another one will start crying. Immediately that one will start crying.
David, what took you so long?
A lot of things.
A lot of things. Yeah. I see. You see, David, like I was saying, I really like that girl, Princess Chika. You see, there's something about her that is very, very peculiar. I like her.
Well, I will agree with you. She's a nice girl.
Of course.
But, Ebooks, you know you owe me one.
Owe you one? For what?
Are you kidding me? If not for me, you wouldn't have gotten anywhere close to that girl. Remember?
Don't even say that. Look, guy, I forgo meet her by myself. Now, trust me. You know me now.
Okay, so that is what you're saying now?
Of course. Of course.
This is what you're saying.
Don't mind me, bro. Sure, I do what you want. You're not my G now. You're my guy. You see, I can't wait to see her again. I really can't wait to see her again.
Well, if you are so eager to see her again, why not invite her over to your place? Invite her over to your house.
Don't you think that would be too early? Besides, will she agree to come to my place?
I tell you what, I think she will agree to come. That is, if you make her understand that your intentions are pure.
Pure? My intentions are pure.
Then invite her over.
David.
Ejike, what is wrong with you? What has come over you, Ejike? Ejike, when did you become so stubborn?
Mama, I'm doing the right thing. I only went there for the money.
Just keep quiet. You still have mouth to talk. Ejike, you want to kill me before my time. You want to make me childless. Ejike, don't touch me. Talk to your brother. He's the only eyes I have. Chiamaka, talk to your brother.
Pastor, he was very blunt. He said I should have myself to be blamed if he ever sees you in the palace. I don't know what else to do. He's totally out of it.
You have to take it easy, Your Majesty. Everything will be fine. The God I serve does not sleep.
I don't know what else to do.
Your Majesty, prayer is the key. It unlocks every difficult door. Let us pray.
If love is one thing that money can buy, yeah, you will find it right here. You will find it right here. Woo. And the love in this paradise. In this paradise.
What is it, Supper? Please, I don't want to do it. From dump again. Already, please. What is all this?
Come on, Chidebere. She must not see us together. Calm down. Please, you know I love you so much.
Every day, every night, peace is far away from this paradise.
Okay, so tell me, how did your day go, Princess Chika?
My day was splendid. And yours?
Good, fine. So how is your sister and the rest of your family?
Everybody is fine.
That's good. You know, I haven't gotten to see you ever since then, Princess Chika. And to be honest with you, I really miss you.
You miss me?
Yes. Look, I know it sounds crazy, but I'm for real. Believe me, I'm for real.
I don't even know what to say.
Well, how about you come over to the house tomorrow? What do you think?
I would have to think about it.
Okay, very well then. I will be waiting to hear from you.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow? Okay, that will be fine. Say me hi to the rest of you.
Okay.
Alright, do have a nice day. Goodbye.
And you too. Bye.
I thought you were on the phone.
What are you thinking? Nothing much, sis. It was Ebuka.
So, what did he say?
He was asking me to come to his place.
Well, I don't think that would be a bad idea.
Really?
Yes, really. So what did you tell him?
I told him I would give him an answer tomorrow.
Brilliant. I advise you see him. Ebuka is a nice person and equally the calm type. Honestly, sis, he means no harm.
How sure are you about this? I mean, why do you sound so sure?
I am sure because he is like his friend, my boyfriend, David. And David is the love of my life.
Sis.
Kill.
I know what this means when you return immediately. I am that king that all mortals will continue to fear. Challenge me and you'll meet your ancestors.
Whatever you show, you go river. Anything you plant, you go reaper. Now so it is.
Ejike, Mama is calling you. Ejike. Wake up, it's morning already. Mama is calling you.
When you show it, you go rip what way. When you show up, you go rip what.
Jesus. Mama! Jesus! Ejike! Hey! Mama! Hey! Mama! Please come! Okay, sir!
Whatever man show me go rip someday.
What? Why are you staring at me like that?
You're so beautiful, Princess Chika.
What am I supposed to say?
You see, I am very happy and grateful that you finally decided to come see me.
What do I say?
Nothing. Just say you're welcome.
Okay, you're welcome.
You see, Princess Chika, I have actually met a lot of girls, and none of them have actually caught my fantasy. You see, what I'm trying to say is that you're my kind of woman. Yes.
I'm blushing.
Nah, you don't have to, because I am saying the truth.
What are you trying to do? Excuse me.
I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry.
We have consulted Ugezu and he has confirmed that the rituals we took without the king were both successful. It calls for celebration. I don't know.
Please. There was no reason for you to have consulted Ugezu in the first place. I know it from the very beginning that the rituals were the ones we can perform as men in council. Remember, we had not always had kings in Igbo land. What we had was Council of Elders.
Yes.
And the Council of Elders was responsible for those rituals in those days. Kingship came with colonial masters, and we have seen that the introduction of kingship has not done so good to us in Igbo land when it comes to our political system, justice administration, and everything.
The history you just referred to justifies my stand. Now that the king is beginning to act alone, to the extent of undermining the sacred process that ensures peace for the future leaders of our land, I am saying we should call him to order or outrightly make a decision against him.
I understand what you are trying to say, but I advise we should not be in a hurry to rush into that action. It could backfire.
Exactly. Listen, we have to take things easy. Please, people are beginning to talk. The confidence of the king is beginning to dwindle. Let us not overheat our kingdom in a time such as this. Just allow me. I will go back and talk with him again. And trust me, there is nothing dialogue cannot achieve.
In that case, you have said it all.
Hey! Hey! It's okay. Shamaka is okay. It's okay.
Ebuka, what has come over you? No, tell me. Are you okay? What is wrong with you?
What is it? What is it, David? What do you mean if I'm okay? What? Why would she be with me and refuse to kiss me? Why?
Ebuka, I thought you said your intentions towards this girl was pure. Don't make me believe you just want to have sex with her.
Come off that, bro. Come off that. Since when did kiss turn to sex? Huh?
Are you taking me for a fool, Ebuka? We all know that kiss leads to sex sometimes. It is a gradual process.
Oh, forget that.
Ebuka, it is a gradual
Forget
process.
that. Leave that. I said leave it. Leave it. Look, I only wanted a kiss. I felt very bad, very, very sad when she declined.
Now let me tell you, Ebuka. Do not make me regret. Don't make me regret linking you, my woman's sister.
Oh, there's nothing to regret. There's nothing, absolutely nothing to regret, David. I only wanted a kiss.
Why would you want a kiss? How long have you known this girl?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So long as there is understanding between both of us, it doesn't matter.
Really? Let me advise you, Ebuka. If you know what is good for you, look for her and apologize to her. Yes. Apologize to her.
Me?
Hello, yes, engineer. I'm fine. Of course, work is fine.
You mean he tried to kiss you 2 times? 2 whole times? Are you serious? Why would Ebuka do that? I don't know. I mean, I was surprised. Being it the first time I went to his place and he tried kissing me, I don't get it. Let it not be what I'm thinking. And what are you thinking?
Never mind.
No, sis, I do mind because I have always had a double mind about all this. So tell me, what are you thinking?
Like I said, never mind. I'll talk to David about it.
Really? Yeah, really. Swim. No, I don't talk. No,
Oh no, I'm trying to understand everything you have just said. Your Majesty, what I said is very clear. You are the king of Ifitani. And under normal circumstances, you are supposed to participate in all the rituals we keep performing for the sustenance of our land. I was with the chief priest and exactly... So no, I'm not interested in listening to whatever you or Wifin has to say.
I didn't hear that, Your Majesty.
Oh, you heard me right. You cannot just come into my office and tell me nonsense in my face. Your Majesty, it is the chief priest of this kingdom.
What did I do to you? Why? Why didn't you take me and leave my son?
Obiageli, what is the meaning of this? Why are you embarrassing the king?
Oh no, my son. Ejike is dead.
What?
Ejike Mama gone.
How? When?
Yesterday.
What is my business with that?
You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. But why didn't you take me? Why take Ofan and Jafosa?
Obiageli, have you lost it?
Why did you take me?
Have you lost it? Why would you just barge into my office to come and tell me nonsense? What is wrong with you? Get out of my office. I said get out.
I will get out of your office. But I want you to know one thing. You see, the God that I serve, he is alive. And he will fight my fight.
Get out.
He will fight my fight. You are a murderer.
Get out of my office.
Murderer.
Useless. Your Majesty, this woman is standing as if...
Oh no, get out!
Mr.
Out! Out!
Dave, I'm asking you. What was the meaning of that?
Please, babe, calm down. Listen, I understand your anger. But please, you have to calm down.
No! Don't tell me to calm down. It's my sister we're talking about here. I couldn't discuss that on the phone. That's why I'm here.
I was equally mad at him. And I cautioned him severely. He apologized thereafter and told me that he never meant it.
What do you mean by he never meant it?
Listen, he said he had nothing extra in mind. And then he promised that it will never repeat itself again.
So how are we sure that he's not going to do it again? Listen, Dave, I got my sister involved in this because I thought Ebuka is a nice guy just like you. Please, I don't want to have anything to regret.
Come on, babe, you won't have anything to regret. Ebuka is a nice guy. He just made a mistake. I mean, most guys do.
No, not with my sister. Not with my sister. I mean, they barely know each other.
I understand.
Please.
I understand you're trying to be your sister's keeper. And trust me, I admire that about you. But hey, you won't have anything to regret. It's okay.
Sure?
Yeah, sure. It's fine.
Hey, not forgiving me.
I never knew your late husband had any land issue with the king. Nobody ever mentioned that to me. Nobody. But what makes you think the king has a hand in your son's death? What?
It's obvious, no.
How?
Ejike confronted the king 2 times without my consent. Now Ejike is dead. My only son is dead, oh no.
This is very strange.
I am so devastated. I don't know who to run to. Hi!
But Obiageli, please, you have to come.
Hi!
Ideally, you should be the one consoling your daughter.
How?
God knows why it happened, and you know we cannot console him. So calm down, please. Put yourself together.
My only son.
It's okay. It's okay.
So that was it, Your Majesty.
I've heard you now. You may now leave.
Your Majesty. That reminds me, Your Majesty. I ran into my brother's side this morning and he sends his regards.
Regards received.
That reminds me again, Your Majesty. Have you heard about Ejike's death, Obegeli's son?
And how is that my business?
Your Majesty?
Woman, I want to be left alone. As you can tell, I was very busy.
When you show it, you go rip wild wind. When you show what, you go rip wild wild. And no peace for the wicked, for the wicked. That's how it be. Oh, yeah. I said that's how it be. Whatever man show me go rip someday. That's why.
Like I said earlier, we may not be completely sure, but from all indications, Eze Onyanusi is a murderer.
All the fingers are pointing at him. He killed that boy to silence him forever. I'm short of words.
Yes, I listened to Begali. And I am convinced, just like you, that Ezonyanusi killed that boy. But I have a problem. How do we prove it?
We need to confront him.
Yes.
We must confront him and let him know that we know what he knows.
Yes.
He killed that boy with all the powers he has possessed.
Now you are talking. You're talking about a man who has acquired powers. Remember what I told you that he did the day I went to his office to advise him to marry another wife? The way he ended that meeting, the way he handled it, made it clear to me that Ezonyanus had something that he is hiding. Listen to me. If you go ahead and confront him, the same way he killed that boy, he can kill someone else. Please, no. Don't sow the seed of fear in us. He believed in his powers, and we believe in our powers too. Ichi and Zube and Ichi Okonko, let us trade with caution, please. We have to leave this in the hands of the gods. Yes. If it is finally established that Ezonyanuse is the one that killed Obiageli's son, the gods of this land will vindicate Obiageli certainly. Oh no. Is that all you have to say? What else do you want me to say? We have gods in this kingdom, don't we? And I believe our ancestors are not sleeping. If it is finally established that it is a murderer that is sitting as our king, trust the gods and the ancestors of this land to find a way to handle it.
Hey.
Yeah? More than I can shukuniru. More than I can do moniru.
Look, Princess Chika, the only thing I will say is that I am sorry. And I will still keep on saying I'm sorry until you forgive me. Look, I thought about it and I realized I messed up. I really messed up. I am very sorry, okay?
It's alright. You are forgiven.
Are you sure?
Yes, but only on the condition that it will never happen again.
No, it won't. Look, believe me, it will never happen again, okay? I cross my heart.
It's alright, we're cool.
Are you sure? Okay. Thank you very much, okay? Thank you very, very much. Once again, I am very, very sorry. Thank you.
You're welcome. And you too, I have to get going. I'll talk to you later.
Shut your mouth. Quiet your mouth there. You know they mad. You know where? Sorry, kill you for there. I'm not telling you if you lose guard, you go query. You don't lose guard today now. Did I not want you to stay away from Chidebe? I'm not telling you not near that, babe.
I'm sorry, my princess.
Go.
Good day, my princess.
What is going on here?
I'll be this idiot. I catch him. He was trying to have his way with Chidebe. See this fool.
What?
Yes.
Is that true?
I don't understand. As in how now? That's I carry the talk. I just run my mouth. I tell you something, they ask whether not true. I don't understand. Which kind of question be that? He lose guard and need a query for a year. And they treat him fuck up. Come here, they talk. If you say fuck up, you go join them. Which kind of rubbish thing be that one?
Tamara, I do have the right to hear from him.
Which right? Who give you the right? Babe, shut up there. They take something, they ask them. That's I carry the talk. I they lie. Which kind of talk be that one?
Hey, get up.
Huh?
I said get up!
Wait, what do you want? Lay down there.
Tamara,
Ma?
Are you nuts?
Now today you know. Now Tete now. I won't say we're not now.
I said get up. I am her elder sister. Get
Guy,
up!
not try am. Lay down fast. Lay down there now.
Tamara! Are you mad? How dare you? How dare you interrupt my instructions?
Bebe, nobody call you for you. If you not get anything reasonable, I say make you enter house. Wait till they worry you. If you say legal guy, you go follow Aquarium. Wait till they worry you. Come on for here. Who they look your face?
I said get the hell out.
Try now. Try and make you start.
Tamara!
Come on, get up for here. They crazy. They tell you something. They call you. You they mad.
Tamara, I am your elder sister.
Madam,
you do not have any right to interrupt
go
my...
inside house. You go last fast. Who call you for here? You they mad. Every time they show yourself anyhow.
Are you mad?
Yes, now, not today.
How dare you interrupt my instructions?
Yeah, they speak English. Kind rubbish instructions. Who they give instruction? You look me, they give me instruction. Are you mad?
Are you still? Get up! Get out!
See, madam, make today be the last time. If you ever interfere for my matter for this compound again, you don't go like me. Let them worry you. Then they walk you. And they take me to me, then they tell me. Wait. Tamara, touch me. You don't touch me. Praise God. Tamara. Mommy, water.
This is paradise.
What is going on here? What is wrong? Why are you crying? I just asked the question. What is wrong?
Chika was raped.
What?
Pala, use wisdom. Pala, use wisdom. This wisdom. Use her. Pala, use her. Pala, use wisdom.
Will you shut up your mouth, you stupid useless boy?
Malena, wisdom. I'm not saying go smoke. This are all of them. Not just the cry in here. Now don't they cry, they find river, they cry in here. Huh? Now mate them for we fair for warrior. If you go for streets, you go see this people there. They smoke exhaust pipe. The hot one we don't red Volkswagen own.